Continuing its tradition, Samsung is expected to unveil its 5th-generation foldables in August this year. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been subject to various leaks and rumors in the past. Now, the US version of the foldable phone has been spotted on the benchmarking platform Geekbench. It reveals the key specifications of the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is listed with the model number SMF946U on the benchmarking database. While the listings seemingly confirm the chip as a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Samsung is once again opting for an overclocked version as indicated by the scores. The listing mentions the motherboard codenamed Kalama comprising of 3 cores at 2.02, 4 cores at 2.80, and a primary core clock at 3.36 GHz. The foldable phone is listed with 12 gigs RAM, and we can expect more RAM and storage configurations at launch. Software-wise, it runs on Android 13 OS out of the box. It is also becoming clearer that the next-gen foldable phones will share the same Snapdragon processor as the Galaxy S23. The test results seem to show the foldables outperforming our Galaxy S23 Ultra test results considerably on this single core part of the test, even though the chips running these phones should all be the same. There's little difference in the multi-core score though, so running multiple apps on any of these phones should work equally well. The Galaxy Fold 5 scores 2014 and 5022 points in the Geekbench's single-core and multi-core test results. Apart from this, the benchmark database does not reveal any additional information. Regardless, these Geekbench benchmarks do not always paint the whole picture and may slightly deviate by having lower scores by the time it arrives in the hands of consumers. For years, Samsung has been utilizing a different chipset for its foldables over its slab-styled flagships. This year, it would be interesting how it would differentiate both lineups in terms of performance, considering it could be using the same chip for both. Past leaks suggest that the Galaxy Fold 5 will be equipped with a new water droplet hinge technology as well as a screen technology. Due to the implementation of the new hinge, the gap between the panel when folded is expected to reduce. It will also reportedly weigh 254 grams, which is less than the Fold 4. On the imaging front, the Fold 5 will reportedly feature a 50 megapixels main sensor with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens and a 10 megapixels telephoto unit. So if you think that Samsung might reserve some optimizations to improve the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 when it comes to the hardware underneath the hood, let us know your valuable opinion below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.